Hi, this is Michael Clayton with the Red Hat Customer Portal team, and I'm making this video to show you how to capture diagnostic information from your web browser that you can submit back to us, which we'll use to fix any issue you might be experiencing with the Customer Portal. This is the first video in what I hope to become a series, and this one focuses on Google Chrome. So if you're able to use Chrome and your issue occurs in Chrome, then you should be golden. If you cannot use Chrome, or if your issue doesn't occur in Chrome, then please sit tight for a future video. Okay, let's get started. Here we have Google Chrome with the Customer Portal open, and the first thing I'll ask you to do is find the menu in the top right that has these three little dots right here. Click on that, then move your mouse down to More Tools, and then click on Developer Tools. This will open this panel on the right. It may also be at the bottom of your screen like this, but either way is fine. Position doesn't matter. It'll be open, should be open to this console tab here, which has a blue caret prompt. I'm only going to ask you to type one command, so please bear with me. Here it is. It's local, L-O-C-A-L, storage, S-T-O-R-A-G-E. The S is capital. Then type dot session underscore log equals true. I'll leave that up for just a second. And then press enter. Now, if that's done, you don't have to type any more commands. Find this gear icon over on the right over here. Click that to open this small menu, and then make sure Preserve Log is checked. Now we'll hop on over to the Network tab, which is just to the right of the console. This also has a Preserve Log checkbox here. Make sure that is checked as well. Okay, that is it for the setup. And now if you would be so kind as to go step by step through the issue, whatever actions you have to take to cause your issue to trigger, please do so. I'm going to demonstrate by changing the language, although there's no bugs with that. It's just an action I can take to kind of pretend. If we imagine there was a bug, then I would be capturing information about that. Okay, so if we imagine that I just reproduced an issue, then we'll go over here. Network tab is still open, and you'll want to right click somewhere in here, somewhere in this area. It doesn't matter exactly what you right click on, but right click and there'll be an option save as har with content here. Click that, and this will give you the option to save a har file. So I'll save. And now let's go visit the console tab again. This also has some logging here, so you can right click anywhere in this area. Again, it doesn't matter what you right click on exactly as long as it's in this general area. And save as, and this will give you the option or the opportunity to save a log file. So save that. And one more thing, the last thing I'll ask you to do is to go back up to this menu that we started at. Move your mouse back to More Tools, and then find Extensions. Click on that. And this is a list of all your browser extensions. And there's not a great way to capture this information, but the best one I know of is to press Control A to highlight everything, and then press Control C, and then we can go over to a text editor, press Control V, or right click paste, whatever your preference is, to paste that browser extension information. And then we'll want to save that as, let's say, extensions.txt. So you should now have a har file, a log file, and an extensions.txt file, and that is very, very valuable information that we can use to fix whatever issue you might be experiencing. So please take those 3 files and submit them either to your TAM or attach them to your support case or whatever mechanism you normally use to submit support information. The last bit of information is for you is that HAR file. It does contain every HTTP request that went between your web browser and the customer portal, so it has the potential to contain sensitive information if you were looking at a company sensitive support case, for example. So if that's even remotely possible, please use whatever your standard encryption mechanism is when you submit company sensitive information to Red Hat, and then your information will be safe. So that's it. Thank you so much for spending the time to capture this information and for making the customer portal a better place for all of us.